Hi, my name is Dr. Jon Evans and I work here at ProTailored Physical Therapy in Fort Wayne, Indiana, and I'm going to teach you the best 3 exercises for knee pain. There are several factors that can impact your knee pain, but I'm going to show you the 3 best stretches to decrease that force load across your knee and make you feel better. The first exercise is stretching out your hamstrings, the muscles on the back side of your knee. Best way to do that is throw your foot on the back of a chair, drive your heel into the wedge of the backrest, and you're going to lean forward into it with both hands, and you're going to do small little controlled bobs. Do 30 controlled bobs, don't force it, just focus on deep breathing and work your way into it, and then relax. Exercise number 2 is stretching out the outside of your hip. All you're going to do is cross over your leg and lean over. You hold it for 30 seconds and you do that 3 times in a row. These tight muscles on the side of your hip can control the whole way your lower extremity moves, so it's really important you keep them loose. Exercise number 3 is stretching out the front part of your thigh, also known as your quadricep muscle. So what we do, there's 2 phases to this exercise. Throw your leg up on the butt rest of your chair, stand upright, puff your chest out, and lean back into it. You should feel just a gentle pull on the front of your thigh. You may even cramp up a little bit in your hamstrings. You hold this for 30 seconds and you do it 3 times. If it doesn't feel like much of a stretch, put your foot on the backrest and lean back into it more. Once again, puffing your chest out, moving your hips forward, and you should just feel a pull here. Once again, a lot of people cramp in the back of their hamstrings when you do this. If you keep fighting through those cramps, they typically go away within a week and a half, and that's just what you have to do. Those are the best 3 exercises for knee pain. Now just remember, whenever you're doing them, you shouldn't experience any pain in your knee. A little bit of pressure and discomfort is fine, but you shouldn't feel anything sharp. Alright guys, I hope that information was useful for you. Please let us know if you have any questions, comments, or any new topics that you'd like us to cover in our next video. Also, please like and subscribe to our channel so you can get updated on our new videos that come out. And lastly, if you'd like to schedule an appointment at ProTailored Physical Therapy in Fort Wayne, Indiana, you can call us at 260-739-0300, or you can visit us online at www.protailored.com. Thanks.